Really power, the two of them, two proper colleagues.
Sit down, you mean? You want to get no space.
I say, Philip, you want to swap scan and see it. And scanner say, one pussy down. Scanner want the bucky. Scanner want
the eye.
Scanner want the eye.
I'm going to get better virgin, trust me.
Yeah.
Just stop dying, man. You have to live to get better.
That's that him tell himself.
Oh, he say,
Most of one.
oh, yeah. Him say, enough say, dying to get better. Live to get, what you say, Scanner?
Want to live.
I think we hear, but no one hear that.
Oh, you are teaching that way there?
Yeah.
Stop, you say.
Man die.
Yeah.
Want to die for live.
No.
Die to get better.
Better.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
You get one TV right here? Oh, right now, right? Oh. Okay. So you want to TV? Alright, then. Eh? Yeah, man, mommy good, man, and everything, man. Everybody good.
She will show John me about some food I'm cooking on, but I'm going.
Yeah. The itas show. It's bad though.
Oh man.
Jeez.
Look at you with that cooking all the time.
Yeah, Afro Spice, Rick. You know your mother? I love him, boy, you know. I love him, son, you know. With the locks. Him.
Yeah.
I love him, son. Rick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm there cut up on him little. The minute you come and cut him and take notes on him little.
Yeah. Because I'm a vegan, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him not eat no meat. So you know.
So when we can't stop him.
When you can't stop him, yeah? Whenever you're ready. When you put on a whole heap of weight, man, Scanner, man, you see. Scanner tick up. We are the lift weight, Scanner.
Good life.
Good life. Good life. And look over there, she's kind of good wife.
I'm thinking about it.
Really? Yeah, man. Scanner. And little with scanner chest. Scanner look like him have what that 6-pack? You have 6-pack.
Thick.
Yeah, live for
Can I run feet to see him there?
Who scanner?
Where say?
Beat no.
What? Can I
see
say
it,
that
man?
no say meat no?
I suppose to. So it's a good look. You know watch another video them all now, those scanner.
If I'm still up one at a time, but the service they don't bring that show.
Oh.
Maybe there's some things I see.
I can see.
That's something.
Mm.
I leave. For the mail I said I could not come.
Okay. I was a scanner coming on there yesterday. Well, I couldn't get him ITALs through, you know?
Yeah.
I'm a walk road now. Philip,
Awa.
yeah, the walk out.
I can't walk and I'm going to take advantage of it.
Oh, yeah, you kind of walk now.
Yeah.
Take your time. So your left foot a draw as well.
Still a draw a little bit, you know?
And then imagine you see him, you scan a left foot a draw. And
But the strokes that side of the stroke.
so anytime anyone else strokes, I always on the left hand side and then.
But if we go on the right side, it must make it simple.
Change it.
Now come up and forward. The side of the
As you can see, him left foot a draw. Draw. 2 powering P, them scan and Philip. You can sit up inside the bridge, man. Philip
So
himself.
alright, man. Be damn fair, like workplace a ball for me, you know?
Oh, which part I work before?
Medical company. Medical product. But to them I call them and I tell them say, I'm space still left for me same way.
Until recover.
Yeah, when time recover, they give me a letter saying in time recover, come back to work.
Okay.
So you work somewhere in your teeth and them something there. You're alright, man.
Yeah. Cause them really them respect you down there, man.
Yeah, man.
Cause how long now since you have that strokes here?
Yeah, we call it 3 months ago and 4 months. That one time 4 months.
4 months.
It's kind of going about 8 months.
Yeah, cause about them time there. So scanner they have it before you?
Yeah, man.
Let's just get away 8 months.
It's my stroke, yeah.
And so, man, running this guy.
Amen.
They bust on the line.
No, give me that.
And that more ask my right question, scan. Hey, this scan play them.
Scanner pull up.
Then my seat start in the middle.
You're trying to hear that you not know that it's so come around here. So that's just how people say no. Hey.
Scanner the 2 on 2 leaving part. Really the power, the 2 on 2 proper colleagues.
Sit down, you mean? You want to get low space. So your eye.
I say, Philip, you want to swap scanner seat. And scanner say, one pussy down. Scanner want the bucket. Scanner want
the eye.
Scanner want the eye.
I'm going to get better virgin, trust me.
Yeah.
Not like the eye,
Just stop dying, man. You just live to get better.
That's
Yeah.
that him tell himself.
Oh, him say,
Most
Die
of
to
one.
get better.
oh yeah. Him say, enough say dying to get better. Live to get, what you say, scanner?
Want to live.
Nothing to hear, but you know I hear that.
Oh, that you're teaching the way there.
Yeah.
To stop to say,
Man die.
yeah.
Want to die for live.
No.
Die to get better.
Better.
But you soon get better. You will get better.
Yeah, man.
Right? I say, I want to scanner here. So right through in recovery, in positive.
Yeah.
You know, like you
He
couldn't
tell
believe
himself
it.
say,
He tell
yeah,
himself say
he might go walk
he
back.
might go walk and
And
everything.
things are going to come back the way I'm used
You know?
to. And see, really come now.
Right
Scan
through
and walk, I can't believe
in
it.
recovery,
Like, I come and
scan
scan and
always
see me like
positive.
tell, but I say, okay, go in the door. And scan and say, him alone walk, but I couldn't believe. I really have to stand up there to say if I walk go back in by himself. I'm really go back in. You see, then till him must walk up and down, I know he start out have a all boat fear now.
Yeah. Scanner don't want to walk so bad.
I tell
He say he
you.
want to do everything. He don't
If
want to
like you
sit
get
up.
nothing, you scan do worse and you don't want to spend scan around the light. A sideways cannot eat on bed.
Yeah.
So when I tell him he cannot sit up, he can't really lean back on. When I sit up, like him back or him have to lie down back. Yeah, I check that. Too much time I have to tell him say, if you sit up, you cannot forget your back firm back and lean it to the wall and put the plate and take time to where you can do till you can work back and see. And that him not until him can walk back
And then remember, say Scanner now never wait till him fully 100 for walk, you know. Scanner start walk from early.
try it not the old.
Walk the street, where you say go first street, right?
Yes, sir.
Culture yard.
But time I may have feet scanner. When this is scanner feedback.
All your people around me now. I told them, like when my niece come. All your people around me.
Okay.
I'm going to do everything myself.
And I know Arthur Ellis sons them and grandchildren them, you know, in the UK, them they kinda do a little football fundraiser amongst themselves between them close friends and close family over there, and then do a little fundraiser, and then, you know, them kinda raise a little funds and try to make everybody can get something, you know, cause yes, you know, really give thanks. I'm trying to reach to as much people them can reach. Try to stretch it, you know, and we kind of really appreciate that what them do, because it's a blessings. You know, you have Christopher Ellis, you have Dean Ellis, you know, the whole of the Ellis, them over there, Georgia Ellis and Lovers, you know, Lovers as well too. So the whole of them come together. You know, them can't really play football, them try to make the effort.
Black and Jesus. There's a picture, so
still about save me, man, you know.
Like money now.
So I kind of, you know, reach out, you know, and your name upon the list as well, too, and also liquor name upon the list, you know, and you know. Yeah. So them also.
Watch me,
Of course, I watch you. Georgia, I just can't big her up.
Yeah, big up Georgia, I'm friend for life.
Yeah, because I always watch.
Yeah.
Even this morning she text me. So Scanner, me have $2,000 for you from the Ellis family.
Yes.
So that's $2,000 for you.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
Ellis family. So give thanks to the Ellis family and liquor. We have $3,000 for you from the Ellis family as well too.
Yeah.
I'll take care.
Thanks,
Show the Georgia for me, yeah?
families, God bless.
Yeah?
Those you.
Show
Friend
Georgia
for
for me.
life.
There's a fifth from Fernando Kingsley. Rain. You want to rain?
Go on, can I say it? Because I know she will watch the video. So she will definitely see it and she will reach out. So you can heal her up, man, and tell her.
Georgia, big up yourself here.
You not get nothing in
Georgia?
Yeah.
Of course, Mrs. Georgia have big Stumpy. Remember her son? Kizzy.
Oh, yeah.
And Kizzy as well too. Oh. Because I just Stumpy them born and everything. You probably three not remember because them be left long time as well too. Yeah. So Philip, may I give you a change as well too, yeah? You can buy yourself something. Yeah, so let's go on with the faith, everything alright, yeah? So
Yeah, man,
you can go on all that. Let's go and give thanks. So yeah, Parry in peace, Scanner and Philip.
Two
man have strokes.
I see that.
Scanner help out him, see him in a physical sickness. See him, you know, it's a blessing to the Scanner.
For real.
Because you know, kind of like what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know, you try to help out your friend. Give them more or less condition than you.
strength.
Yeah. So you try to get into 100% and really like that. You know, so that's continue.
Respect me said way.
Yeah. And respect each other.
Yeah.
And I kind of understand
I
that.
like me over here, you know.
I did like.
I said, boy, I'm like over here, I'm live. Everything in my way, share with me too.
Yeah. And that's what it's supposed to be. You know, each one help one, and that's what it's supposed to be, you know.
You see the night, but can't listen to him sick, you know. The night when me girl and scan have lock him up, him and him seen this, him strong artist, don't pass can be that smoke. My friend of the man, me no matter me say flip over me at sick of stroke. Me say why you say a strong somebody me say. Me say at the end of the day you can't tell somebody say you can't go to bed good and heart and at the end of the day you're dead in your sleep, you know about that way. Cause I can't believe the way me see him hearty and all that tell me say him a go keep the key for scanner. Me say you can't keep the key for scanner cause my is a working man and you go work or him a go get for pull up early and him something. So I end up I make him give back scanner the key. I like scanner. I can't believe the man him tell me say him sick. I said Jesus Christ, I can't believe all that. And I me say man go call him family, see him there?
Yeah.
Me say man go call him till him come and care my doctor and scanner get up back on him foot with scanner now start to help
Start to help him.
And I love to say that but then them for know for deal with people.
Yeah.
Still I say that.
Yes.
Okay, you big man and thanks. People no must come do nothing to you.
So proper.
You see it?
Yeah.
Things look
Gratitude.
better.
Here Philip, I don't
Things
know
look
the
more better.
always and scanner, always there for you.
Yeah, man.
So you should just continue show the same love, same
And I
love.
make it look like say we not come on him come do nobody no come on him say to like the full 100 like come around scanner 100 give me medication at the time. I understand I lock him up and go me know say him alright now the house. Another way them show that way there.
I mean, lock up myself at night time.
And we used to lock you up and have the key but the behavior tell it talk oh God you don't have it now. When you just sit down and we have the key. And lock you in and walk me up and anytime if you don't come over early send somebody come call you or them take the key and come pull you out.
Yeah.
Till they start lock up yourself.
Alright then Philip, let's go and hope and pray, yeah?
Yeah, I'm sure
Yeah,
I
come better man, if they look worse than that, so for them change, have that look same and come back.
Yeah,
You never did look same, never much look so when them sit down and lie down, and more time, you have to see so when them foot a kick it for you move it for walk and you see so again a kick it, mount a rub and rub off him foot up the way him had with a ground. Just to move it and see them now, give God thanks, you can walk again.
Can walk again.
Because see foot there move without your hold on and nobody help you and lift your cake and tell you
Yeah,
and hold on
I'm
your
alone
arm.
now.
You alone are going now.
Give
This
God
is like
thanks.
things are gonna come back.
Yeah, so everything alright.
Things are alright, man.
The thing them start moving rest, you know? So I'm going to give
And you
God
have a soft ball one, play like Scanner have one. Him not really play with female now.
Scanner
But they have
can't
the hand
use the
for
ball,
good,
you
so
know.
you can't still have the answer and I say it will stay forever. You still and play with them.
When you have the ball and you're not using it, you're supposed to
Have it and
use it and
squeeze
massage.
it.
Rock them, man.
Yeah, play with them. That's them. Come
the
back
ball
the way
and
out them
squeeze
straight.
it.
Now if you have them soft so they might get better and stay. So if you have a finger then I go up more.
But if I work my finger, I can go back to work, you know?
Yeah.
Let me tell him.
I miss my workplace.
So you go and put in the work back on yourself.
Yeah, man. I miss my workplace and they miss me there.
Yeah. Anytime you get any more ball, you come
Yeah.
here one day you can help
And
exercise
soft.
and
Play with it.
and squeeze it.
They find out
Now
the
we put my ball and I use it and I
squeeze it
so.
on it. Then the time I come here, when I go use back the hand, I go just use the center and you see that take time and I move. See the life in there?
I think
I tell him I can't work, boss. And I say, boy, Philip, nobody in the space all now.
Still cool.
Left that empty, nobody in the light.
here over there so I babysit. Here get a baby.
Yeah. She's not bad because some quick she church got to him. But oh, she do it.
She know the hero man.
And now man, she
She's
never
safe.
do people, so.
She's safe and she know she know the hero and you know she been saved. So alright then liquor.
Yeah. Thanks,
You know,
Jaja, again.
Yeah,
Their
so the Ellis family them.
Big up here, Georgia. Remember
Yeah.
Philip from King Street? From
Yeah.
the read.
Okay, no mother know you too, you know.
Yeah, mother, wait, mother.
If I don't even know it's Christmas. Come on now, Liquor King Street, tweet.
Christmas?
Yeah,
Yeah, mother?
yeah. We used to dance, they coolie dance them. Not she live in a tent.
Ray Barger sister?
Ray Barger sister.
So it's
So Ray Barger my uncle, you know.
This is about Christmas day.
Real bad, I don't know.
Ray Barger, I'm at the builder, you know.
Yeah.
Who had helped build up in a trench there, you know.
The Christmas day.
She died in England.
Oh. So, oh, you know she know me.
She tell me when
Then
she watch a video.
See, that's why I say
Yeah,
that,
when she watch a video, she say, yo, man, no, Philip, you know.
Yeah.
She say, I used to dance as well to the coolie
I'm not
dance
so
though.
close, so.
Yeah, she tell me,
When
so
you
she
go down
know,
and
yeah.
butter.
She say, alright, don't worry, tell me I go link in soon. Seriously, man, you see, Christmas, she tell me that she know you man used to dance as well to the coolie dance.
Hey, little
Yeah,
girl.
man, small world.
Men I used to dance, you know?
Yeah,
Me, she, and whole power used to dance. Cross
Yeah.
stadium go dance.
yeah,
Indian dance.
Indian dance. She see up on the video, man, and she say, man, I say, yo, man, no, Philip, man. And so that means that when I'm there, I bring Baja come on and come make him see you.
Yeah,
I'm probably now. What do you say, Marcel? No, Marcel. Marcel is my cousin.
Oh, I don't know why.
Yeah, where we are from now.
Baja, so let me take away woman.
On the street, yeah. He said, Baja, so you take away woman?
You sound like a brown pretty girl.
Yeah.
She name again, it's Nadia.
Yeah.
By Spashtown Road.
Yeah.
And
The whole with that, Queen. Queen can leak it up.
Juto, you must
One by one,
must say black man, I make an Indian man.
Yeah, the Indian in there.
I pass a man time I go town,
Yeah.
step and talk to her till they know what happened, boy, I sweep her off her foot and take her away.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's here.
But me are still friends, see me, but it's back to me. Yeah, back to me.
Boss, man.
And take a Baja. Yeah, now. Wow, chef. Wow, chef. You didn't flip a day, I tell you, say. Him take a Baja woman, and I tell you, back in the idea, so.
We'll bring Baja around here.
Yeah, so we're going to bring Baja.
Ask him about her.
Yeah, we're going to ask him.
I hear them pretty.
Yeah.
I them Indian eye.
No, I don't tell Baja where I go on. When Baja can see that video, when you watch all the video to him, I go like,
She's not Indian.
China Indian. But true Philippa Indian, that's why.
She can have
Brown eyes.
white people in her blood.
Okay. Yeah. That's a Philip the Sharp. I tell Baja where I go
Yeah,
on.
me sharp, man. I just know me get done, you know.
Yeah, get done.
You have to know one day I'm going to hear.
And then get done. Alright then, Philip. May I bring him come look for you, you know? Come give him check one and day. You go see me.
When you come ask him about it,
Yeah, me go tell him about it now.
yeah, take
Remember, man. Remember.
Cause if you remember, he must remember. Definitely for sure.
Check your boss, girl.
Yeah. Take her Baja girl.
take her
Sharp.
from Baja.
Sharp like file.
Yeah, I tell you.
File is sharp.
I'm mad if you love me, Brian love me chunky, William love me.
I should have want cool the baby, man.
Pretty, baby.
Pretty here, baby.
But take
Them.
her away.
Yeah.
Brother.
I should have.
Christmas is next me too.
Hey, my mother begs you there.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
does.
take for her brother woman.
Take one to style like he.
Hey, mommy, hey, Philip say the vex with them, cause you take a Baja woman for Philip.
But
Why joke tall around here?
we don't mix with one because I'm girl that, you know.
Yeah.
So we don't carry no feelings. Everything is
Move
alright.
on.
See, they had my virgin nose.
And yeah, my brother, but when come on here, you go see the rings.
Can't
You know?
laugh coming on the front teeth them.
You say you can't laugh on the front seat.
Them.
And them is kind of something. That's
One
smile.
of the best
Smile,
smile.
smile,
One
smile.
of the best is smile. Now,
We
no.
don't have Christmas time, mother.
Yeah, man.
Can't believe it.
Small world. And our son this day, so you know. Day for
Now Christmas is a dance, you know.
Yeah, it's tell me, man, coolie dance, man. We used to watch my mother on
Apart from Indian
JVC.
dance.
I do the coolie dance.
Yeah, man.
But it's better than my own son. Are your father or your uncle?
Yeah, my father make the party.
Listen, Jesus.
You know the man that make the party, Philip?
What? When
My
I
father,
have
you know.
meat tonight.
Mikey, we
Make
make
it
the
make the
party.
party man at 3rd Street there, some man.
Eh?
Listen, all them time, man. Jesus.
Right now, I make party same here, man, in England.
I'm nice,
So
man.
people, you can check out Local Juice Bar in Bristol, you know. That's where my father is. I make the party them, you know. And then I make breakfast in the morning, see me, you know. You have my friend Spang that I do the cooking, see
Big up
me.
Christmas here.
Yeah. So people, you can check out Local Juice Bar in Bristol. You know, and get the right and the tastiest. Better than tastiest. Better than tastiest party. So people, you check out Mikey party.
The man drop and put some
Yeah,
kind of
better than tasty. So liquor, eh?
Anytime we get better, we got plans to go to England.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, anytime we get better.
Alright then.
It's
take
gonna have
care.
party tomorrow, like film. I want to come around.
Yeah. Alright then. So tomorrow, yeah.
First,
Ghana.
the 1
Remember
year.
television and
Television. Alright
Respect
then.
Georgia, your family.
no, but that's what I want to
Yeah. Alright then, Scan. Those are our words. Can I say one that?
When I television like me live around here.
Yeah. Take your time, Philip.
Major.
Yeah.
Nah, just forget, man.
But I will if you get before you that one. You know, remember? I feel say that's a chip off. You have to chip off. Sick lad.
Oh, hero fan, baby.
I go home. Don't check like you and get up. Relax.
Well, relax with the
Comfortable.
ear and
Touch it. Okay. Tell him bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell him bye-bye.
Just smile.
Can I tell him bye-bye?
Sure, watch him. Yeah. She knows how the hero, man. She want to see her. Right.
Scanner? Yeah. Alright.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.